Next topic is like and unlike decimals. So students, just like fractions, decimals also have like and unlike fractions. So what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? Let's discuss it now. You all can see I have written a series of decimal numbers here. The first series is 0.2, second decimal number is 12.6, third is 134.3. So all of you all can see that after decimal there is only one decimal place, that is only tenths. So whenever a decimal number are given, whenever decimal numbers are given to us, and if the decimal place value means the number of digits after the decimals are same. So here we have only one decimal place, one decimal place and one decimal place. So all these fractions are like fractions because their digits after the decimals are same. So here I have written number of digits after decimal are same, that is one decimal place. All these digits are having only one decimal place, so all these decimal numbers are like decimals. Next is, let's take another example of like decimals. So here you all can see that after decimals there are two digits. So all these decimal numbers are like decimals. How they are like decimals? Number of digits after decimals are same, that is two decimal places. In the same way, if the number of digits are same, like 3, so if we have all the digits with 3 decimal places, so all those decimals will be like decimals. What about unlike decimals? That is, unlike decimals, very simple. It's clearly understood that whenever the decimal places are different, means that the number of digits after decimals if they are different, so all those decimals will be unlike decimals. So here you all can see that in the first decimal we have one decimal place. Digit ke baad we will always consider the digits after the decimal. We will never include whole part here. Whole number part does not play any role for like and unlike decimals. Only the decimal places will have role in it. So here we have only one decimal place, here we have two decimal place, here we have three decimal place. So now all these numbers are unlike decimals because the numbers after the decimals are the number of digits after the decimals are not same. The same goes with this, two decimal places, three decimal places, four decimal places. So all these fractions, all these decimals are unlike. So here I have written number of digits after decimals are not same, that is decimal places are different. Students, let me tell you one more thing. Like decimals cannot be converted into unlike decimals, but unlike decimals can be converted into like decimals. Let's check the examples. How will we convert unlike decimals into like decimals? We can convert unlike decimals into like decimals by putting zeros. Okay, so if we are converting unlike decimals into like decimals, so we will always put zeros to convert them into like decimals. So let's check it out. How will we convert the decimals into like decimals?